Hello my friends, today I want to unbox a case for Galaxy S10 Plus. It's a Spiegen Crystal Liquid Crystal. It's a transparent case for Galaxy S10. Before this I used Samsung silicone case that was good, but it's not cover down of the phone, and I have some problem with that because some places color changed. Now I want to show you this new one. It's crystal, it's transparent, good quality. It cover the screen with it's not hard case, it's good because don't because it take the press when it drop to itself, and it's your phone not damaged. There is a cleaner in the case, lens and a screen cleaner. It's for cleaning before that you put the phone in the case. Wet cleaner. I bought it €8 from Amazon. Okay, let's see it. It's good fit. I tested a sticker in the back of my phone. It's not bad, but it's okay. €8, not bad. It's very fit. The keys work perfect, and you can see it's fit. The microphone hole is in the correct place, and the charger holes are also. It's good. Have a nice day.